Bonjour, c'est Virginie and you are watching French Truly TV, your destination to truly become a little bit French. I have decided to create a new section, a new playlist for you on my YouTube channel, French Truly TV, and that is a how-to section. The idea is to bring you videos that are much shorter, straight to the point, focused on one and only one essential aspect of the French language, so it's quick and simple for you to digest, and also easier for you to share with your French learning friends. Let me know if you like it. Okay, let's go. Today, let's focus on one of the two most important French verbs, avoir, to have. Not only is it a crucial verb that we constantly use, but it's also the base of a past tense called passé composé, which you could not conjugate at all without knowing the verb avoir in the present tense. It's called un verbe auxiliaire, auxiliary verb, l'auxiliaire, avoir. Let's conjugate it in the present tense with every single subject pronoun, and then I will put it in a short sentence to give you context and more vocab at the same time. C'est parti! To have, avoir, avoir. That's called the infinitive, l'infinitif, l'infinitif, which means it is not conjugated yet. Now, let's conjugate it in the present tense. I have, j'ai, j'ai. I have two dogs, j'ai deux chiens, j'ai deux chiens. You have, tu as, that's the casual you, tu as. You have a big problem. Tu as un gros problème. Tu as un gros problème. She has. Elle a. Elle a. She has a cold. Elle a un rhume. Elle a un rhume. He has, il a, il a. He has an exam tomorrow. Il a un examen demain. Il a un examen demain. We have, on a, on a. On is the singular subject pronoun for we. Is it strange to think of we as singular? Think of a unit. It's also more used in spoken French. It's the more casual way to say we. We have a small car. On a une petite voiture. On a une petite voiture. We have, nous avons, nous avons. Nous is the plural subject pronoun for we. It's less used in spoken French than on, which we just saw, and it's the more formal, the more proper way to say we. We have a small car, again. Nous avons une petite voiture. Nous avons, this time, une petite voiture. Same sentence as the one above, same meaning, only this time we sound more formal. We have a small car. Nous avons une petite voiture. One more time. Nous avons, more formal, une petite voiture. You have, vous avez. That's the formal you or you all if you're talking to a group of people. Vous avez Vous avez. You have charming children. Vous avez des enfants charmants. Vous avez des enfants charmants. They have. Elles ont. Elle is they for an exclusively feminine group. Elles ont. Elles ont. They have everything. Elles ont tout. Elles ont tout. They have. Ils ont. Il, this time, is they for a masculine or a mixed group. So if it's masculine and feminine mixed, it's going to be il. As remember, elle needs to be exclusively feminine. They have, ils ont, ils ont. They have a chocolate cake. Ils ont un gâteau au chocolat. Ils ont un gâteau au chocolat. One more time. Avoir. J'ai. Tu as. Elle a. Il a. On a. Liaison. On a. Nous avons, liaison, nous avons. Vous avez, liaison, vous avez. Elles ont, liaison, elles ont. Ils ont, liaison, also. Ils ont. Et voilà! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, French Truly TV. If you want to see all of the above written down in one place, go to my website, frenchtruly.com/blog. When you're on my website, make sure to subscribe for free to my 3-step mini course to help you become a little bit French. And also check out the course tab where you'll be able to find out more about how to learn French with me online via the French Truly online school. And last but not least, in case you didn't know yet, I organize and teach full French immersion courses here in France. I recently added a bunch of testimonial videos on my homepage. Go have a look. Merci beaucoup, au revoir et gros bisous. Mouah.